What is aloe vera, and where does the plant come from? Aloe vera has been known for its healing properties for at least 6,000 years. In the early days, the plant was known for being a plant of immortality and was presented to Egyptian pharaohs as a funeral gift. Over time, groups from many geographical areas have used aloe vera, including Indians, Chinese, Mexicans, and North Americans, too. Humans have long known about the plant's healing benefits, and over the years have used aloe, which is also known as burn plant, lily of the desert, and elephant's gall, to help treat wounds, hair loss, hemorrhoids, and digestive issues. These days, aloe has an entire industry behind it. Its juices are used in cosmetics and personal care products such as moisturizers, soap, shaving cream, and suntan lotion. The aloe vera product that probably comes to mind most easily is the bright green gel that's stocked on drugstore shelves. You've probably used it to soothe a nasty sunburn. Aloe vera is also available in supplement form, which is said to offer the same possible benefits to the skin and digestive system as other versions of the plant. What are the various types of aloe vera that people use? There are two medicinally useful parts of the aloe vera plant. First, the leaves are filled with a clear gel. This gel is extracted from the plant and usually used on the skin to treat burns and various skin conditions. The gel can also be found in liquid or capsule form and taken orally. The second substance the plant produces is called aloe latex. This is the yellow pulp that's found just under the outer part of the plant leaf. Aloe latex has been shown to have laxative properties, and it's usually taken orally to treat constipation. The latest in aloe vera trends is the introduction of aloe-based drinks, such as aloe vera juice and aloe vera water. The plant juices are usually mixed with citrusy juice to make aloe vera juice or water to make aloe vera water. Aloe vera on its own can taste a little bitter, so many brands will add flavor or sweeteners to the bottle. Take a look at the bottle's ingredients list to make sure it's not packed with loads of added sugars. What are the potential health benefits of aloe vera? There's not enough evidence to prove that aloe vera can treat all the health issues it's said to help with. But the plant has been linked to many potential benefits, including digestive help. Aloe latex contains aloin, which is an anthraquinone that gives aloe vera its laxative properties and may help treat constipation. Treating skin conditions, such as psoriasis and acne. Aloe creams have a calming effect on the skin and have been shown to help reduce itchiness and inflammation. Sunburn relief. Some people swear by aloe to calm a sunburn. You might have experienced the gel's cooling effect yourself, but the research backing up the claim that it can speed skin recovery is lacking. One small study, for instance, found aloe vera didn't have any effect on treating sunburn when compared with a placebo. Wound healing. Aloe gel may help expedite the healing process of burns or cuts on the skin. Heartburn relief. Researchers found aloe vera helped lessen several symptoms of including heartburn, belching, and vomiting. Lower blood sugar. A study found drinking 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice every day for 2 weeks helped lower the blood sugar levels among people with type 2 diabetes. Triglyceride levels of the study participants also improved, a big deal for those with diabetes, because they're at an increased risk of developing heart disease. Grow aloe vera at home. Good news for non-green thumbs, aloe vera is a cinch to grow at home. It's a succulent plant that prefers dry, warm climates, so it doesn't need to be watered every day. A little neglect in watering isn't going to hurt it, in fact, it may actually help, because this drought-loving plant lives best in dry conditions. You should be careful not to overwater the plant, and if you keep the plant outdoors, be sure to cover it when it rains. Aloe vera plants, which grow to be 1 to 2 feet high and up to 1 foot wide, grow best in tropical climates. Unless you live in Hawaii, Southern California, or Southern Florida, you won't be able to leave it outdoors all year. But you can easily leave it in a pot and bring it inside when the temperature drops, ideally any time it gets close to 50 degrees Fahrenheit or cooler. Sunlight is key to a healthy aloe vera plant, so position it outside in a sunny spot or inside on a windowsill. When planting your aloe vera plant in a pot, choose a shallow, wide bowl so the roots have room to move and spread as they grow. New seeds will grow around the base of the plant, which you can then take and plant in a new pot.